Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you the recipe for Singaporean Nasi Lemak. First and for all, we will need washed rice. You can choose to use basmati rice or normal rice, ginger and garlic paste, onion paste. Of course, the important one here for the aroma is the pandan leaves and also coconut milk. I used about 400 ml of coconut milk here, as you can see. Now to prepare the rice, we mix the coconut milk into the rice. Next, we add in the onion paste as well as the garlic and ginger paste, then mix them well. Do remember to add in some salt to taste to the rice mixture, as I have actually added in the salt to the coconut milk mixture earlier. Now add in some water, sufficient for the rice to cook. And now comes the most important step, it's to add the pandan leaves. I have tied it into a knot, and these leaves will give you the aroma, the best one. Now we will let the rice cook in the rice cooker. Next, we will be preparing the sambal or chili paste for the nasi lemak. So we will need fresh chilies, and this is the blended one which I have done earlier on. This is dried chili paste, onion paste, ginger and garlic paste, and here I have about 700 grams of fresh prawns to be added to the sambal. It's up to you, this is an optional step. You can just do the sambal on its own. Now we add in the onion paste to the hot oil, as well as the fresh chili paste and the dried chili paste, and let them cook for a bit. Just an extra tip for those of you who don't really like spicy food, to tone down the taste of this sambal, you can add in about half a tomato to the blended fresh chili paste. So, it's not too spicy for you. While it's cooking, just remember to add some salt and sugar. We want this sambal to taste a bit sweet, as it's a common thing here for nasi lemak sambal to be a little more sweet than salty. So you can just add in the ratio of sugar to salt as to 2:1. Now after the sambal is a bit more cooked, you can see the change in color. Now we add in the fresh prawns and mix them well. In the meantime, while the rice is cooking, do remember to mix them a little bit to ensure that the coconut milk is well mixed with the rice. Now we can see that the sambal with prawns is already done cooking, so we can turn off the stove and set it aside. So now we are all done with the side dishes as well as the main nasi lemak here that we have. So I'll just be showing you what we need to prepare as well. So here we have the nasi lemak itself, cooked earlier on. We will need boiled eggs cut into half, some fresh cucumbers sliced, the sambal with fresh prawns. We have the mackerel fish otak, or what we call it the mackerel fish fillet. You can choose to microwave or steam it. Here we have breaded chicken fillet as well as fish cakes for the side dishes. Honestly, it's up to you. You can choose to have chicken nuggets, or even here in Singapore, some of us have it with like chicken rendang, beef rendang. It's not specific, so any side dishes that you have, you can just have it with your nasi lemak. On a side note, the breaded chicken fillet as well as the fish cake has been air fried, so it just took me about 10 to 15 minutes to prepare. Here I'm gonna serve the nasi lemak as well as the side dishes.
What is it? السمك. الدجاج.
Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you guys next time.